Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add dietary preference on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile, and you just click here. So then it's going to take you, when you click here, it's going to take your profile here on next window. Then you just go down here and you come here to dietary preference. You will click, and here what are your dietary preference here, you add it here. So you just click here on others or anything you want to add like this. So version here, like you say now, it's going to add with you. I wish you know you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So see you.